Which brings us to an interesting point in history. What is Texas asking for? The legislation that Texas challenges passed the House without a quorum. It therefore violates the quorum clause. Texas is entitled to a declaration to that effect. Texas is entitled to both preliminary and permanent injunctions preventing the defendants from enforcing the Act's unconstitutional requirements. Each of the factors governing the award of injunctive relief favor Texas. Texas is asking for an injunction preventing the federal government from enforcing the unconstitutional parts of the Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2023. Mr. Paxton has not only argued that parts of that act are unconstitutional, but that the House of Representatives never legally voted for the legislation. If Mr. Paxton is correct and this United States law was not made pursuant to the Constitution, it's not the supreme law of the land, according to the Supremacy Clause. This Constitution and the laws of the United States which shall be made in pursuance thereof, and all treaties made or which shall be made under the authority of the United States shall be the supreme law of the land, and the judges in every state shall be bound thereby, anything in the constitutional laws of any state to the contrary notwithstanding. According to Mr. Paxton, this legislation did not legally pass the House, so it was never U.S. law. That's just the primer for the bombshell this case would be if the court actually finds for Texas.